Hello, my name is Brian Goldfarb. I'm the Director of User Experience and Web Platforms at Microsoft. I'm here to show some demos that I did earlier this week on Monday at the Facebook OpenStreams API announcement down in Palo Alto. We went ahead and built some great sample applications in Silverlight and .NET for Windows that show how you can take advantage of these APIs to build really rich experiences on top of Facebook data. The first one I'd like to show is the Silverlight application. What you see on the screen here is a layout of a bunch of my friends' profile pictures. I'm going to go ahead and click on this wall button, and what we're looking at is real-time data being pulled in using the OpenStreams API of my feed. So all that information being presented in this rich user experience. Now, sometimes I might want to go drill in on an individual and take a look at some pictures. So I'm going to click on Dan. It's going to go out to Facebook and fetch all of the pictures from Dan's account. I can zoom in using the deep zoom capabilities of Silverlight to get a nice look of what these pictures look like. And I can also leverage some interesting layout techniques, like a star pattern. We can even look at something in a spiral. But what's really interesting for me is being able to go horizontal and zoom in and really get a quick way to view a lot of pictures at a really high quality. Now, one nice thing about having access to the Facebook data is I can go ahead and expose tags based on these pictures. And let's go ahead and find my name, Brian Goldfarb here. And when I click, it's going to sort and filter those pictures based on the metadata that has me included. I can go ahead and switch that now to a horizontal layout, drill in, and scroll to the right and take pictures that I have my tag on. This is a great way to experience Facebook pictures as well as get data from the OpenStreams API. Now, one of the other great things we've been able to do is with .NET is build a rich application experience for Windows. We call Fabulous, a little demo application. And what you're looking at here is that installed Windows app. At the top is pictures associated with Facebook status updates. This is being pulled from the Streams API all across there. And you can see lots and lots of people and all their updates. Now, one of the things I like to do sometimes is explore those updates through the pictures themselves and associate them in sort of a full screen mode. So let's jump into my Facebook friends. And you'll see that the performance here is great. We have synchronization and caching, so this is actually running local, being cached from Facebook. And now I can begin to sort of tab through these pictures. If I right-click, you'll see the blur effect at the bottom, moving quickly. The performance and capabilities of rich Windows applications is pretty amazing. Another fun feature here is we can go ahead and do slideshow mode, get a full screen experience, and you'll notice the gratuitous bitmap effects between the transitions. You can customize and build those yourselves. We can go ahead and jump out of that and get back to the application and take advantage of one of the search capabilities. And we can search for Chris here and get a bunch of interesting metadata of people in my account that have the name Chris. And we can even drill in and see some of these associations. Looks like this Lakers picture might be interesting, and get dumped right into a nice experience. Now, one of the great things about these apps is they were built in 72 hours based on feedback from Facebook just before the event, with the teams of 3 developers on each application. And we're going to be releasing an SDK, a bunch of guidance, as well as the source code to all these reference applications for you to kickstart the ecosystem. And we'll have more information about that later, but expect that to be coming soon. We think there's a lot of great capabilities that can be delivered with Microsoft technology, leveraging Facebook data. And we hope you see the same with the quality of these applications. Thank you.